Here we'll have one last example of calculating a definite integral. We have this function that I don't know the rule for, but I suppose with a little work we could figure it out. But we're calculating the definite integral from -1 to 9. Now remember the definite integral will compute for us the area underneath the curve, all right, but above the x-axis. If the function falls below the x-axis, then it treats that area as negative. So let's start. We're going from -1 all the way out here to 9. And I probably should have put a grid in here so we can see what this is. But notice that this is a line with slope 1 that crosses the y-axis at -1. So if I look at this, there's a right triangle here that's below the x-axis. All right, the base and the height are 2, so the area would be 1/2 2 times 2, which would just be 2. But now remember that this is below the x-axis, so the definite integral would treat it as a negative number. So we have -2 here. Okay, then if that line continues on, and if I look at this, we have another triangle. The area, well, the base is 3, and so since it has a slope of 1, the height is 3. So this area would be 1/2 times 3 times 3, that would be 9/2. 9/2, so, and this is above the x-axis, so this would be 9/2. Okay, then we have, I don't know if you can see this quite here, we have here, okay, well, we get a portion of a circle here, and I'll draw this in for us, but we have a rectangle here. The base is 2, the height is 3, so 2 times 3, we have 6 units of area, square units of area here, and it's above the x-axis, so this would be a +6. All right, then we can divide things up this way. I'll divide the rest of it up. We have a circle, and if you look at this circle, it has a radius of 2. So the area would be pi times 2 squared divided by, but we only have 1/4 of a circle, divided by 4, and so that's just going to be pi. So we have a plus pi units of area here. Okay, then down here we have a rectangle below it, and the area it's 2 by 1. Okay, so 2 times 1 is equal to 2, so plus 2 more units of area. And we have a right triangle here. Its base is 1, its height is 1, so we'd have 1/2 times 1 times 1, which would be 1/2. So the area here, it's above the x-axis, so it would be a +1/2. And this is it's going to turn out to be, let's see, I can move some things. Let's see, a -2 and a 2, those add out, and so I'll have a 9 plus 6 is 15.5. 15.5 would be 15.5 would be 31/2 plus pi, and that would be the value of this definite integral. The definite integral, again, just calculates the area under a curve. All right, if the curve falls below the x-axis, it treats that area as negative.